guys, today we're going to go over how to install the virtual machine for the Week 8 Recommender project. Okay, so first thing that you will need is you either need VirtualBox or VMware. If you would like VMware, please email me and let me know and I'll send you over information for a license. If you would like VirtualBox, come to virtualbox.org and select your machine. Okay, next thing that you will need is the Movie Recommender OVF, and I will attach that to the World Class website. Okay, so let's go ahead and start VirtualBox. Okay, so for this project, we're going to select New. If this is your first time doing it, you won't have any of these, so don't worry. So let's go ahead and select New, and let's give this a name, anything you would like. Okay, machine folder. So this is where you might have stored your zip folder that you will have downloaded from the World Class site. For the type, you're going to change this to Linux. And for version, you're going to choose Other Linux 64-bit. Let's go ahead and hit Continue. Okay, we need about 4 gigs, so let's go ahead and do that. You shouldn't need any more for this project. If you do want to go ahead and use the original Cloudera instructions that were in the original Week 8 project, you will need to assign quite a bit more. But for this build, we only need about 4. Go ahead and select Continue. Now for the hard disk, we are going to use an existing virtual hard disk folder. And this is where you're going to need to navigate to the Movie Recommender VMDK. If it's not listed here, go ahead and choose the folder. And again, you might either find it here or you'll need to add, in which case you will need to go search for it. Okay, so mine is right here, the .vmdk. Hit Create. Okay, so now you see it. It will be the newest one here. Let's go ahead, make sure it's highlighted, it's not on something else. Go to Settings and come over here to System. Okay, so you should have the amount of gigs that you assigned. Go ahead and select Processor, and we do need 2 for this project. So go ahead, change the CPUs to 2 and hit OK. Alright, so it should work. You could go ahead and hit Start. And it takes just a few minutes. Okay, there will also be on the World Class site a README file. Let me go ahead and open that up so you can take a look. So the Movie Recommender problem, in it has your user ID and password. They're both Hadoop. So let's go back here. Hadoop, and then for the password it won't show anything, so type slowly. Okay, and so it will show the login, and then if you get to this point, you're good and you have your virtual machine set up for the Week 8 project. Let's look at the next video on how to run the Recommender project.